Hey guys, and welcome back to another video in the website development series. And today, we're going to be learning how to embed images, videos, and YouTube videos. So images does include GIFs, so if you have a GIF that you want to put on your site, then you can go ahead and do that. So let's get started. So first, let's bring up our folder. And I can go into assets and create a new folder called images. Then inside images, I'll just drag in this this file that I have. So let's say I want to make like a page for my Spigot plugin. So yeah, we can do that. So how about we add another div here? Div dot private server. That's the name of my plugin. It's a very useful plugin if you own a Minecraft network. So then I can just make an h2 private server. And now let's embed the image. So let's do img, and it'll give us two fields that we need to fill up. One is src, and the other one is alt. So src is where we have the image stored. So we'll do /assets images private server.png. Then the alt is, like, for example, if it's unable to load the image, this is the text it'll display. So you can put placeholder for logo. And then, I believe, if that's the right button, that is big. Okay. Well, first of all, Alt-Z, just so I don't get angry. Then we can do width. And let's do 10%. Now it'll take up 10% of the screen. So yeah, that's how you can embed an image. Now, it's essentially the same thing for GIFs. I just need to find a GIF. Okay, I found the GIF. So let's just copy it over. MLG banner. I'm just gonna make it, just please rename it to something without spaces. It just makes me mad. And let's make another div. MLG my Minecraft server. And then img again /assets images and mlg banner.gif. Placeholder for server banner. And as you can see, it already comes up here, but it looks a bit blurry because it's in a super low resolution. So I believe if we do style, let's do this in the CSS. img image rendering. I believe it's pixelated. Doesn't, I guess it works on GIFs, sort of. It's not blurry, it's just like pixelated. A bit of upscaling could do something. But anyways, we now have an image and a GIF. So let's move on to videos. So moving on to videos, we can create a new folder, videos. And I can paste in a video that I have. And unfortunately, this will be going on the getignore, so because it's literally half a gigabyte, so. I'll just make it no spaces. And I'll also add it to a getignore. Getignore is just this thing that, like, is basically a list of files to ignore. So episode 6, assets, videos. So now it should not, the video isn't on there, that's good. So now let's actually put the video in the HTML. So let's create a new div. Div dot latest dash video, and then we can use the video tag. So assets, videos, webdev5.mp3 does not seem to be working. Oh, well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Let's say with 25%. I think that's a bit too small. 50%, 100%. And now, well, it's either that it's frozen or, okay, whatever. I think we need to put controls. Yep. Okay, so now it says the audio is unavailable. And I believe if you have like a video editing software that can render video and audio separately, you will have to do this. Yeah, because there is audio in the video, but it just doesn't work. Maybe it's that the previewer doesn't work, but whatever. Now let's move on to actual like YouTube videos. So now we can find any YouTube video. I'm gonna select my latest short, and it might appear in this short viewer. Looks like we cannot embed it, so we'll have to do a bit of editing to the URL. So up here, delete shorts and type watch V equals. And it turns into this thing. So then we can share, embed, and then we can just copy all of this. And now div dot latest short and paste it in. Well, it looks like iframes don't exactly work in VS Code itself. But first let's delete. I think we should delete this height tag. I'm just gonna comment this thing out. Well, it looks like you can't comment a single thing out, so let's just, oops, what did I do? Well, let's just delete height entirely and make width 100%. And unfortunately, we have to open this in the browser, so that isn't so hard. Well, that doesn't exactly work. So let's do that and refresh it. And it works now. And we even have audio. So, thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So, it's Editor Sid here, and I really need some video ideas. So, like, if you want me to show you how to do anything, like with HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, then please comment it down below because I really need ideas. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.